to slow it down. It's so fast, I cannot give the cue in time.
Just follow me.
But I will tell you first what you need to do. The important thing, which is super important, right? The safety aspect. Yeah? So when I say shimmy for this particular song, there's two kinds of shimmies. One is the leg shimmy, one is the shoulder shimmy. Leg shimmy is the knees. So you bend the knee, one forward, one back. One forward, one back. Always make sure your knees are relaxed. Now don't pop. This is wrong. This is very, very bad. Don't do this. So what you do is always relax, one forward, one back. Okay, and it can actually go quite fast. How fast you go depends on your skill. I really suggest that if you find it very hard to go fast, please don't go fast. You go slow. I will go very fast. Please don't follow me if you cannot match the speed. Because once you try, you're going to be like, you will never get the correct. So it's more important you go slow, correct technique. And then eventually you just go faster and faster. So you just learn just to be study so it's enough. Okay? So I like the shimmy because it's one of the fastest ways to warm yourself up. You stand like this, you do for like 1-2 minutes, you can sweat again. And and because you sweat, then you burn kind of on the spot, and you don't have to run, jump. Okay? So of course, the faster you go, the more you jiggle up, right? Like I said, please go at your pace. Second one, shoulder shimmy. Shoulder shimmy. You pull one shoulder back. So don't move this. So it's not this. It's this. This one doesn't move. So always pull back. A lot of people think, oh, I must push forward. It's not push forward. You push forward, right? It's very rough. It's not nice. Pull back. Because when you pull back, your chest will be open. You got very nice posture. When you push forward, right, it's like you end up collapsing your chest. It doesn't look good. Okay, so even in Latin, they do a lot of shoulder shimmies. Leg shimmy is not in Latin, it's not called leg shimmy. I think it's good. But shoulder shimmy is not. Advanced version, chest shimmy. Okay, if you can't do the shoulder shimmy, you can't do the chest shimmy. This is beginner level, it's advanced level. So you can't do this, don't try this. Otherwise, you need So just do the shoulder shimmy. Okay? So there's only two kinds of shimmies here. It's either leg shimmy or shoulder shimmy. Okay. I will try to keep you. I need to slow down the sound a little bit. No, I need to slow down the sound a lot.
神道，财神到，财神到，我站在门口。迎财神，接财神，把财神接到我家里头。从今我草原，财源滚来，做生意他也管在里，买马票他的心里爽。万事都变成山里的财到，财到，家里接我财财神到，财神到，财神迎财神，接财神，把财神接到我家里头。从今我小雨，财源滚来，做生意他的哪里，买马票他的心里爽。往事的风尘起，财神到，财神到，家里接我财神到。财神到，财神到，财神到我家大门口。迎财神，接财神，把财神接到我家里头。从今我小雨，财源滚来，做生意他一本万利，买马票他的心里爽。往事的风尘起就财神到，财神到，我家里接我财神到。财神到。